Hello everyone, how are you today? Welcome back with me Adrian and hope you still enjoyed learning at this moment. So on this video, I would like to tell you about the universe and the solar system, Earth and also the phenomenon inside. So are you curious about that? Let's walk around the universe with me and keep watching. So before we start, we need to know in advance what is universe. Okay, the universe contains thousands of galaxies, billions of stars, and also billions of other celestial bodies. One of the galaxies that contains our solar system is the galaxy Bima Sakti. Galaxy Bima Sakti is spiral in shape, where in the galaxy there are many stars, planets, and other celestial bodies. And in English, it's called the Milky Way galaxy. Then, what is solar system? Okay, solar system is an arrangement of objects in the sky. They are located within the Bima Sakti galaxy along with a collections of other celestial bodies around it. This is in accordance with the heliocentric theory by Nicolaus Copernicus, where the sun is the center of our solar system. The sun is star? Right, this is because of the sun is able to emit its own light. So the celestial bodies that orbit the sun include the planets, asteroids, and also the comets. Okay, now let's continue to talk about asteroids and comets. Asteroids are formed from space rock that contains little metal and move around the sun. Asteroids gather in a line called the asteroid belt. While comets are also called bintang berekor in Indonesia, the comet's tail is very long and in direction that is always away from the sun because of the wind and also the solar radiation. So guys, how about meteoroids, meteor and meteorites? Asteroid and comets fragments will become meteorites that float freely and do not surround anything. Meteorites that fall to Earth and burn up in the Earth's atmosphere, it's called meteors. However, if meteor falls to the Earth's surface, it's called meteorites. Meteors can cause large holes in the Earth's surface. For the next other object that moves around the sun is a planet. The planet is the solar system are divided into two kinds, the inner planets and also the outer planets. The inner and outer planets are bounded by the asteroid belt between the Mars and Jupiter. The inner planets consist of Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, which are close to the Sun, while the outer planets consist of Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, which are far from the Sun. Okay, next, let's get to know about planets in the solar systems. The first planet is Mercury, is the closest planet to the Sun. The distance from Mercury to the Sun is about 47 million kilometers. The planet Mercury has 59 days of rotations and 88 days of revolutions. The temperatures of the planet Mercury during the days reaches up to the 400 degrees Celsius and the temperature at night reaches up to minus 180 degrees Celsius. This planet is full of craters, rocks, and dust, and this planet Mercury has no satellites. Second, we know the hottest planet in the solar system is Venus, with temperatures reaching 462 degrees Celsius. The atmosphere on this planet is cloudy and has 96% carbon dioxide. This planet is known as the Bintang Kejora that has no satellite. The rotations of the planet Venus is very slow, about 243 days with a revolutions of 225 days. This planet is the only planet with clockwise rotations. And planet Venus is called the hottest planet because its atmosphere is composed of carbon dioxide causing a greenhouse effect so that heat from the sun is trapped inside. Next, we turn to the only planet that can be inhabited by humans at this time. That's right, it is the Earth. Planet Earth has one natural satellite, that is Moon. Earth's atmosphere is composed of the 78% nitrogen and 21% oxygen and other gases. 71% of the Earth's surface is water, and the Earth has a rotations of the 24 hours and a revolutions of the 365.5 days. Earth's atmosphere can destroy celestial bodies and protect us from the harmful rays. Okay, the fourth, it is a red planet with a vast desert filled with rocks. Mars has a very small gravity with a very thin atmosphere consisting of 96% carbon dioxide and 0.2% oxygen. This planet Mars has rotations of 24.6 hours and have a revolutions of the 687 days. The planet Mars has two satellites, namely Phobos and Deimos. The planet Mars is red because the soil in the planet Mars contains a lot of iron rust. Next, we turn to the largest planet in the solar system. Yes, it is Jupiter. This planet is a gas planet, which is a planet consisting of hydrogen and helium gas. This planet is covered with thick clouds and there are lots of storms. Jupiter has 92 satellites and rotations of the 9 hours, 50 minutes and revolutions of the 11.89 years. Okay, furthermore, the most beautiful planet in the solar system is Saturn. Saturn is the second largest planet in the solar system, which has 7 rings that surround it, which consists of ice and also the rock. The planet Saturn has rotations of 10 hours, 14 minutes and revolutions of the 29.48 years. This planet has 83 satellites, which has the largest satellite is called Titan. This planet is also gas planet, so it cannot be stepped on because it consists of hydrogen and helium gas. Next, Uranus is the planet that has rings that are thin and dark, not as thick as the planet Saturn. The planet Uranus is a gas planet consisting of hydrogen, helium, methane, and ammonia. The temperatures of the planet Uranus reaches minus 180 degrees Celsius. The planet Uranus has 27 satellites with rotations of the 17 hours, 14 minutes and revolutions reaches up to the 84 years. And the Uranus axis is a title to the right by the 98 degrees. Okay guys, the last planet in the solar system is Neptune. It has a blue-green color with a surface covered with thick ice. The planet Neptune is the farthest gas planet from the Sun, which is 4,500 million kilometers. The planet Neptune has the temperatures of the minus 200 degrees Celsius with the rotations of the 22 hours and have revolutions of the 164.8 years. Now, let's talk about Earth and phenomenon inside. Every planet, including the Earth, rotates on its axis, which is called rotation. Earth rotates from west to east or anti-clockwise. The axis of rotation is slightly tilted by the 23.5 degrees and Earth rotation period is 24 hours or 1 day. Besides to the change of day and night, the Earth's rotations also causes apparent motions of the Sun. The motions of the Sun as if it rises from the east and sets in the west. Then, the shape of the Earth is not perfectly round but is compressed at the poles and expands of the equators, and also the time difference in various countries. Next is the revolutions of the Earth, namely the movement of the Earth around the Sun. Earth revolutions period is 365.5 days or 1 year. Earth revolutions causes the Sun's annual apparent movement, namely the Sun's movement from the north of the Earth to the south of the Earth and back again to the north. The position of the Sun when it exactly on the equator is called the culmination point, which occurs 2 times a year, which occur on the March 21st and September 23rd. During the change of seasons, the Earth axis is slightly tilted, causing the intensity of irradiation in the northern and southern parts of the Earth to be different. If the sun tends to face the north, it will be summer in the north and winter in the south. Okay guys, that's all my explanations about universe and solar system, Earth, and also the phenomenon inside. Thank you for being curious and following my explorations about that. Thank you for watching and see you to the next video. Bye bye guys!